Hey, what's up? Kain tayo.
Pasta.
Meron dito makikitulog. Ayan, si Aisha. Ah.
Hi.
Ayan. Makikitulog. Gumawa ako ng carbonara siya kaso. Wala lang, trip ko lang.
Ay. Kinikilig.
So, ayan.
Kinikilig.
At si Rowena, ayan. Ayan, kumakain ng salata. Masaya ka na. Oh, masaya siya. Ayun din, si Maria, ayan.
Maasim.
Ayan, oh, ayan. Kain, oh, ayan. Ayan, oh.
Natsan?
Ayoko noon kasi yung dahon nun is dahon ng... What? Why? I
Hindi pa
put...
sa tatayo. Hindi pa sa tatayo para kumuha lang ng tubig niya. Oh.
Very yummy.
Oh.
But it's very wow.
What? I put...
Sili siguro.
It's because it's hot. Hot.
But it's yummy.
Chef, of course. I'm the one who cook. Who do you think who will cook?
You take bowl.
You eat malaki ah.
You don't want.
Oh.
But it's yummy, huh?
Yeah.
But it's very hot.
What is potato?
No, it's gara. Squash.
Gara, Arabic gara. Pagtigin niya pa, ay nagulat siya. Tikim pa lang.
Pagkakalita. Hot sauce. Hot sauce. Arasa. Chili sauce.
Where you will go?
Bawel.
You will get water?
Bawel.
Bawal.
Bawel.
Ang kanyang bawal. Oh. Iwak na kayo dyan. What? Pwede rin.
Omena.
You eat.
Omena. They call it omena.
Well, may na.
Yeah. Omen. We call it dilis to you. We call it dilis to you. Yes.
It's full already.
Eat with tender love and care.
Eat omena.
Is this yours? Yeah, yeah. Give it to her.
Parang sa kanin. Ano kaya?
See? Rowena, eat the...
Not hot.
Even
Perfect.
me, I like.
Why you're like that?
And then you post TikTok. Okay, post TikTok to move me.
How can I remove you?
As in,
Like that?
no.
Nobody will see you. Don't worry.
In my Africa, why me I see you?
You see me, but me I didn't see you.
When my husband will give me divorce, I will come to you.
Sure!
You give me my your song.
Yeah, sure. You will live to the Philippines. You know, in the Philippines, there's a
The gun, so they will kill me.
No. There's a lot of corruption. You know corruption?
Yes, I know.
There's a lot of there, so they have a rally.
Why is that?
Give the money back. Give the money back. So that's why.
That's why corruption.
Corruption is a lot of there.
Your country, do you have corruption?
You have?
Rally?
They don't want the president.
Ah.
Same, same?
Same.
They don't want the president. President called William Samay Ruto. See, Ruto must go. Okay. I don't want to listen to them. I will post.
Oh.
Nobody will can understand that because all my followers is Filipino. So don't be scareding.
27 more election.
Ah, sa atin ba kailan ang election?
27.
27 din sa atin?
27.
Yeah.
Same, the same.
Same with yours.
The same.
I don't know if the rate will be high or down.
Tapos na tayo dito, mag-election na. Doon.
We already finished here and then we will elect.
And I vote there.
We want to choose another president, another governor, another senator.
Senator, Vice President.
Did she repeat again to you the money? Later. You and her in the toy room.
Will ask
Maybe.
you talk to him.
No. Since birth.
He don't eat salad.
She's diet.
Live it. Live it.
Oh, that's why I told you keep your money. Don't show.
Put your pocket.
Nandun sa bag eh. Nakita ko 100.
When I sleep, I sleep with my back. When I sleep, I sleep with my back.
With that?
When I sleep with my back.
Ah.
Your bag, you put in your head.